Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey, while you're thinking about it, would you please go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon and give us a thumbs up. If you've ever wondered what it was like to live in the path of a hurricane, we've had several in our lives, and living in South Alabama and Northwest Florida. And so today Sally is on its way, and she was just a cat too when she made landfall in Pensacola, down around the Gulf Shores, Pensacola area. And but she's headed our way. We're already on the, I'll say the upper band of it, and so we're getting some pretty good gusts. But more than anything, we're getting a lot of rain. Trees are. Let's see. Back up this way. Can you hear the wind? But got the boat safe. Got my wife's car. Wife's car safe. Then got my priorities. I got just about everything crammed into this shop. I don't typically keep my truck in here. My truck, see over here, just normal tools, stuff, a lawnmower, a golf cart, and there she is. It's ultra limited. Know to what extent the damage is going to be. Covering my bike back up with this comforter, because yesterday I replaced the light fixture that's hanging right over it. It's a hanging fluorescent fixture, and I'm really kind of nervous about it. But anyway, just in case it falls. I guess the wiring, the little piece of wire I used to hang that up there, I'm not 100% comfortable with. I want to get back up there and work on it some more, but I didn't have time. And so anyway, we're hunkering down. We're waiting